Managing payments has never been easier. With TallyPrime 6.0, recording transactions and handling bank payments are seamlessly integrated into one streamlined process. Easily create payment vouchers directly within TallyPrime. No need to switch between tools or manually track transactions. Simply review your e-payments from banking activities to manage and track them. Once payments are ready, you can easily initiate them from TallyPrime. You can select multiple transactions and export them in your bank-specific format, saving time and eliminating the errors of manual file creation. Uploading payment instructions to your bank portal becomes a breeze, allowing you to process multiple payments at once. TallyPrime ensures every payment is accounted for, allowing you to manage in-progress transactions effortlessly. Directly import the payment reverse file from your bank into TallyPrime, helping you easily track payment details like instrument numbers and payment statuses, keeping your records accurate and up to date. There's no need to rely on manual updates or risk missing critical details. Whether payments are pending, sent to the bank, or awaiting reconciliation, you will always have an accurate and clear view in TallyPrime. From paying and tracking supplier payments to notifying them with payment advices and easing customer collections using embedded payment links or UPI QR codes,